And if you're a big fan of the Profile RTA, you'll enjoy this one, especially if you're an RTA style fan. You wanted a tank version of being able to do your own mesh and cotton. You will quite enjoy this one.
But the flavor is clean. It's pure. It's definitely one of the best single coil RTAs that I have vaped on. It really is.
I absolutely love the flavor of this RTA. I do have it in the stainless steel and I also have it in black, and both of them are just flavor and cloud machines. I really, really love them.
I've got to say, it's very, very flavoursome.
Vape quality of this tank is very, very good, guys. The wicking, as I obviously said, but the airflow is super, super smooth.